Well, a relief rally and, frankly, a lot of relief for Apple investors. The company's earnings report last night better than expected. CEO Tim Cook had warned of weakness in China, denting iPhone sales in the all-important holiday quarter. But the stock, look at this, it rallied nearly 6% and extended trading.
Investors are focusing on a significant jump in revenue from Apple's services unit, which includes Apple Music and the App Store. Here's CEO Tim Cook on the conference call.
In fact, services revenue set an all-time record of $10.9 billion in the December quarter, growing 19%.
Joining us now is Lou Bassanese, the founder and the chief analyst of Disruptive Tech Research. Good morning, Lou.
Good morning, Lauren.
So Apple is clearly a company in transition. Is it working? You saw the service revenue, as Tim Cook just said, almost $11 billion, gross margin of 62.8%. So is the transition working?
Yes, definitively it's working, and a big sigh of relief, as you mentioned, because there's going to be life after the iPhone, and Tim Cook really put the fears to rest on this conference call. You know, we gave him a lot of grief for refusing to continue providing unit sales for the iPhone, but the company did provide two key metrics. You mentioned one, which was the services gross margin at an impressive 62.5%, I believe, almost 63%, but they also revealed how many iPhones are in use worldwide, and it's a staggering 900 million. So that right there is the core of Apple's future, is trying to deliver services to that loyal customer base that continues to grow.
And we're hearing that they might get into TV streaming this fall, gaming, this spring actually for streaming. Are you positive about anything new coming out of Apple that would really rev consumers and investors up?
Look, the tea leaves are still out there trying to predict what's going to be big next from Apple. Gaming, streaming, we've also, AR is on the horizon sometime probably in 2020. And I think that's the big question mark. For the stock to head materially higher this year, Apple's going to have to introduce some new products that get people excited, or new services that get people excited.
Apple stock is up 5.2% right now in the pre-market. Facebook stock is up 10% in the month of January as it draws to a close. What do you make and what do you expect to hear from Facebook today? With this, I know it was killed last year, particularly in December, but it's up 10% this year. Is it a good time to buy Facebook in light of everything else going on at the company, all the controversies?
Absolutely not. I'd say we got to wait to the second half of the year before we even consider it. I mean, Facebook is like that toddler you have to keep putting in timeout for repeating the same thing. I mean, how many times does this company have to violate user privacy and stop doing it? So, you know, TechCrunch releasing that scathing piece about the Facebook research app on the eve of their earnings report. So, look, I think the key number to focus on here is revenue. Facebook is having to spend more to police the platform at the same time that user growth is declining or decelerating. If they missed on that revenue number on the top line, I think analysts are expecting $16.4 billion. I think the stock could go lower before it even thinks about going higher.
All right, so there's your Facebook news. We're also getting Tesla, Microsoft, PayPal, and AT&T later today. Lou Bassanese, thank you very much.
Thank you, Lauren.